Hello everyone! Sometimes we don't want to show some private details on our video. For example, car plate number, or somebody's face, or anything else. To fix it, we can use blurry effect in CapCut. Step 1. Select your clip. We import our video to CapCut. Then, add it to timeline. Then go to Effects section and click Blur. And apply blurry effect to the whole timeline. You can adjust the strength of the blur as per your preference. For our process, we'll set it at 50. Then export the clip. Click on Export to save the clip with blur effect. Step 4. Remove blur and import the edited clip. Delete the initial blurry effect from the timeline. Use the import option to bring in the video clip you just exported, and then add it back to your timeline. Step 5. Apply mask. Under the Video tab, select the Mask option. Choose the circle mask and position it over the face in the clip. Adjust the size of the mask as needed. For a more natural blend, you can also smooth the edges of the mask. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create a blurry face effect on CapCut PC. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to address them. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, bye bye.